We're going to take a look at writing bios with ChatGPT. Here we have a resume that ChatGPT wrote for me based on the criteria that I gave it. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a LinkedIn bio based off of this resume. So please write a LinkedIn bio based off of the resume above. You can see there is a spelling error, but ChatGPT understood what I was trying to say. Great. So now we have our LinkedIn bio based off of the resume that ChatGPT created for us. Next, I just want to paste in a bio of a friend of mine and ask ChatGPT to improve it. So this bio is for a filmmaker, and I'm asking, please update the following bio optimized for film industry executives. Great, so here it is. Over the years, I've refined my skills in creative direction, producing, directing, and post-production, and have collaborated with professionals from every field to bring compelling projects to life. As a result, I've become a creative problem solver and experienced team leader who is known for bringing big ideas to the table and executing them flawlessly. This is actually a really great update from this already great bio above. Now, just for fun, we're gonna have ChatGPT create a LinkedIn bio for Elvis Presley. Whether you're a fan of my music, films, or my legacy as an American cultural icon, I'm honored to connect with you on LinkedIn and share my story with the world. Thank you for your continued support, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. That last part was just a joke, but you can see how ChatGPT can really help you improve your bios.